Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to show you how to get more views on YouTube using what I call keyword piracy. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing you obviously have to do is you have to decide what kind of video you're making. So in this particular case, let's say I was making one about Windows 10 privacy. So you go over to YouTube and you search for Windows 10 privacy. Okay, the top one is Barnacules. That doesn't surprise me. His content is actually really good and he is technical. So what I would then do is I would open that video and I would hit pause right away. And once I've hit pause, just give it a moment to load. In order to see what keywords Barnacules is used, I'm obviously trying to do this at this precise moment in time without putting third-party add-ons in so that it works with any browser and I don't have to have my system slowed down by add-ons. What I would do is I would right-click and I would go to page source, and what we should get is a page full of gobbledygook. Press Ctrl and hit F, which is find, and then enter keywords. And there you go. This is all the keywords that Barnacules actually used in this video. So if we start there, click and drag, we can copy them all down, and I believe it ends there. So you can roughly guess by the words in there what is actually there. You can see, click copy. What you can then do is hit Windows key and R and bring up the notepad. In my case, I already had it there. And then you can do Shift Insert or Control V, which is basically paste. So now if we scroll across here, we can actually break it down into the keywords it actually used. For example, it used Windows 10 Invasion of Privacy, used Disable Spying in Windows 10, and I could go on, but you can see exactly how that works. So you're like, but surely YouTube's algorithm's smart enough that if you copied all of Barnacules' keywords, you wouldn't rank above Barnacules. He's the bigger channel. That is indeed correct. In order to make sure that your keywords are the same but different, I would then go back and I would look at something else. Again, third result, I'm not a fan of Theo Joe. Theo Joe's is the second one, but I've not seen that video. I don't know how technically it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump that and I'm going to go to Barnacules' next one. I right click again and I go to page source, wait for the page source to load, Control F, keywords, and then do the exact same thing again. Now he has changed the keywords in this, including putting in a year that you can see. So you can Control copy and you can paste this set of keywords. So let's go to the end here because you've got loads, and paste in the next set. And what you're really trying to do at this point is you're trying to pick the ones that stand out to you, the ones that you believe people will actually search for the most, and then you're going to place them inside your own video. So if I go back to my own channel, click here, go to Creator Studio, click Edit on the video that you want to check, and as you can see down here, you have all my keywords used. I don't know how many keywords I actually have used here, or rather how many of my 5,000 characters I'm allowed I've actually used. I could jump in here and just select a couple of Barnacules keywords by Control copying them, and then just right click and paste, and then I would save, just to show you that works. There's two new, security and settings, I don't actually see them in there. Save that. Okay, my tags are too long, so I must be setting on the limit. I'll take them back out, but you can see exactly how that works. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.